Hi, my name is Tabby and I'm from 5F.
And my name is Lily and I'm from 5C.
We have 2 book trailers to share with you today.
The first book is No Talking by Andrew Clements.
It is recommended for 3rd and 4th graders.
You can find it in the fiction section in the LMC.
It has a Lexile of 820.
Our second book is The Book Ungifted by Gordon Corman. You can find this amazing book in the fiction section of the LMC.
This book has a Lexile of 730.
We hope you enjoy our book trailers and head to the library soon.